Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to draw a Lamborghini Huracan side view. We'll begin by laying down the fundamental structure. First, sketch a long, low rectangle to represent the car's main body. Then, define the approximate positions for the wheels and ensure the ground clearance looks correct. This initial framework is crucial for maintaining accurate proportions throughout your drawing. Now, let's refine the Huracan's iconic silhouette. Carefully draw the sleek, low roofline and the aggressive rake of the windshield. Next, incorporate the sharp, angular side air intake, a hallmark of Lamborghini design. Don't forget to define the door cut lines and the powerful, flared fenders that give the car its muscular stance. Moving on to the wheels, which are vital for any car drawing. Begin by perfecting the circular shape of the wheel wells. Then, focus on the intricate design of the rims, paying attention to the spokes and their angles. Finally, add the tires, giving them appropriate thickness and ensuring they sit correctly within the wheel arches, contributing to the car's dynamic look. For our final slide, we'll bring the drawing to life with finishing touches. Carefully go over all your lines, making them crisp and confident, and erase any remaining guide marks. Introduce subtle shading to create depth and highlight the car's curves and angles. Lastly, add those crucial small details, such as the side mirrors and any visible lighting elements, to complete your Lamborghini Huracan side view.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.